Alex was a young student with the dream of becoming fluent in English. Although he lived in a small town where most people spoke his native language, he was determined to make English a significant part of his life. One bright morning, Alex made a decision: he would improve his English and work towards his goal every single day. He began his journey by setting small, achievable goals. Alex bought a special notebook dedicated solely to learning English. Each day, he chose a few new words to learn. He wrote them down in his notebook, along with their meanings and example sentences. Every night before bed, he reviewed these words, using them in conversations with himself. It might have seemed strange, but Alex found it helpful to practice speaking aloud in his room, as if he were talking to a friend. In addition to this, Alex knew he needed to improve his reading skills. He went to the local library and selected an English book with short stories, carefully choosing one that was not too advanced for his level. The first few stories were challenging, but Alex didn't give up. He kept a dictionary by his side to look up unfamiliar words, and made notes in his notebook about new vocabulary and interesting phrases. With each story, his understanding grew, and he found himself enjoying the process more and more. To enhance his listening skills, Alex started watching English movies and TV shows. He chose films with subtitles so he could follow along better. At first, he struggled to catch every word, but with persistence, he began to understand more. He watched with the subtitles on and then again without them, testing his comprehension. Alex also discovered English songs and listened to them during his walks to school. He found that singing along helped him with pronunciation and rhythm. As his confidence grew, Alex sought opportunities to practice speaking. He joined an online language exchange program and was paired with a language partner named Emily. Emily was a native English speaker who wanted to learn Alex's native language. They agreed to have conversations in English for half the time, and in Alex's native language for the other half. They talked about their daily lives, shared stories, and discussed various topics. Emily was supportive and patient, and Alex appreciated the chance to practice speaking with a native speaker. Their weekly conversations became something Alex looked forward to, and he felt his speaking skills improving with each session. Writing was another area Alex wanted to work on. He started keeping a daily journal in English. Each evening, he wrote about his day, his thoughts, and his dreams. He made sure to use new words and phrases he had learned. Occasionally, he would share his journal entries with his teacher, who provided constructive feedback. This feedback was invaluable, helping Alex refine his grammar and sentence structure. Months passed, and Alex continued to dedicate time to his English practice. He noticed that he was becoming more comfortable with the language. He could understand his favorite English songs without constantly referring to the lyrics, and he read books with greater ease. His interactions with Emily became more natural, and he was able to express himself more fluently. One day, Alex participated in a local English-speaking event. It was a public speaking contest, and he decided to take part. He prepared a speech about his journey of learning English and how it had changed his life. Standing in front of the audience, he felt a mixture of nerves and excitement. As he spoke, he realized how far he had come. The applause he received was a testament to his hard work and dedication. By the end of the year, Alex had achieved what he once thought was impossible. He spoke English with confidence and ease, and it had become a natural part of his life. His journey was not just about learning a language, it was about discovering his own potential and the rewards of perseverance. Alex had taken small, consistent steps each day, and his efforts had transformed his dream into a reality. If you liked this story, subscribe for more.